Easy, easy, press, press, easy, easy, press, press. Do you got an easy press? Do you know how to use it? Huh? You don't? Let's do it together. Coming up next. What was your favorite thing that came? Hey everyone. Hi everyone, and welcome to Turtle Creativity. On this channel, we do creative crafts, fun tutorials, and crafty talks. Does this sound like something you'll be interested in? If it does, please subscribe below. Oh, and to stay in the know, please click the bell below. Now, today we're going to learn all about our Cricut EasyPress. The first thing that you need to do is grab your welcome booklet. Inside this welcome booklet is tips and tricks on how to use your EasyPress and to make sure that your projects are phenomenal. So, next thing we're gonna do is we're actually gonna talk about our EasyPress. This machine is awesome. It's 3 buttons on your left side. On your left side, there's your power button, your temperature, and your timer. What ARN has that? I mean, this takes the guesswork of how to do your projects and put it out the window. Let's go to the right side. On the right side, there is a plus button, a minus button. These 2 buttons actually control your temperature and your timer. And then there's a Cricut button. This button will light up orange once you plug it up and it's heating up to the proper temperature. And once it reaches the level that it needs to be, it will turn green to let you know it's ready to press. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna do the first practice project. This project will use your glitter teacup and your piece of fabric that came with your EasyPress. Let's go to the presses. Okay, first things first. Let's turn on our EasyPress. We're gonna set our temperature to 340. And we're gonna we're gonna click on the timer button and we're gonna set our timer for 20 seconds. Okay. All right, that tells us that we're ready to start. All right, we're gonna heat up our fabric for 3 to 5 seconds. All right. Now, once we have done that, we're going to place our teacup down. All right. Once we have it in place, I'm going to place it down. We're holding it down for 20 seconds. All right, that tells us we're finished. Now, we're going to flip it over. And we're going to gently press the back side of it for about 10 to 15 seconds. Okay. And we're going to flip it over. We're going to wait for it to cool. Once it is completely cooled, you're going to go ahead and peel up the plastic. Look at that. Amazing! That is awesome. Well, everyone, that's all I have for you today. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share. And to stay in the know, please click the bell below. Happy crafting, everyone! Bye!